Checo, 2 watts, and Mr. Laced Up. We are currently fixing, or we're trying to fix, the dent that they have in the Camaro, because I guess he got sideswiped at night, so trying to get that repaired.
Until you look at it from a different angle.
Yeah. Okay, we're finally done taking pictures for Instagram. Now it's time for the real challenge, which is she's gonna take the car home. Let's see if she doesn't stall. She kind of knows how to drive manual, but we'll see if she can handle this car now. Here we go. Adjust everything. Make sure your pedal and everything is smooth.
Okay.
Can you reach? Everything's good now?
No.
Go ahead and start it up. Clutch in, start button. Are you in neutral? Hold the brake and take off the parking brake so you can disable it.
Is it push pull?
Yeah, it's push. Okay, you heard that. Now put it in the first gear and go.
Your seatbelt's not on.
Okay, I'll just put on my seatbelt right now. Nice, nice. And we're going. Oh, look at that. You shifted in the second gear already. No. That's crazy. Someone knows how to drive stick already.
Right now, and it's a little hilly, so do I give it a little gas?
No, not at all.
So clutch in first.
Just a tip, anytime you see a car coming or you have a little bit of space, just start crawling forward like that.
I just don't know if there's a car coming.
Yeah, that's perfect. You saw that? You didn't have to give it any gas. It's literally just taking out the clutch. Put the parking brake on, lift up the, yeah, right there. Perfect. Now press the start button again. Put it in a gear that way, just in case of an emergency. Well, yeah, you have to put the clutch in. There you go, that's perfect. Now the drive is over.
It's so hot.
It's hot?
Yeah.
Well, it's because you're nervous. But how'd you feel? Like, do you feel like, as us car people, like, we feel like you're more engaged to the car.
Well, yeah, because, like, you know, when it goes to a certain RPM, you have to shift by that number. I don't know that yet. I try to when you're driving to, like, pay attention, but, I mean, obviously, you're more skilled than I am. But it was kind of tough. I stalled. At least I didn't stall the entire time.
Yeah, not bad. Stalled once.
I jerked a lot. I'm not gonna lie. It's a learning process. I'm pretty sure nobody got it right the first 3 times.